Hello class 7. In today's class we are going to begin chapter 2, number system. In this chapter we are going to learn the different types of number system used. See, as you know, our computer doesn't understand our language since it is an electronic device. It stores numbers, letters and other characters in a coded form. For example, whenever we enter a character, any character, using the keyboard, the computer converts it into its own language that is called binary, and it is directly understood by the computer system. So you press any key, you press any sign, symbol, any key, any letter, any digits, it is converted into binary number. Now what is binary? The binary number system uses only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Okay, and it is used to express the two possible states. It is used to express two states, yes and no. Here yes means 1 and no means 0. Okay, yes means no, yes means 1 and no means 0. So a computer system deals with the following number system. The different number systems are binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, hexadecimal number system. Now by means 2. So a number system which consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1. In binary number system only two digits are used, that is 0 and 1. Okay, so it is called binary number system. And what are the digits used in binary number system? 0 and 1. So two digits. Example 10001, its base will be 2. This base represents it belongs to which number system? If base is 2, that means it is binary number system. After that comes octal number system. Octal for 8. In octal number system we have all the 8 digits from 0 to 7. We have all the 8 digits from where to where? From 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are how many digits? 8 digits. So its base will be 8. For example, 246. So 246 belongs to this group only. Its base will be 8. As the base of binary number system is 2, the 2 means it is binary number system. If a number has got base 8 and digits are from 0 to 7, that means it is an octal number system. Then comes decimal number system. In decimal number system there are 10 digits. Where to where? 0 to 10. Sorry, not 0 to 10, 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits are there? 10. For example, 789. Its base will be 10. Last one is hexadecimal number system. Hexa means 6, decimal 10. 6 plus 10, 16. So hexadecimal number system uses 16 digits from 0 to 15. Digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, instead of writing 10, we write A. For 11, B. For 12, C. For 13, D. For 14, E. And for 15, F. Okay. So if I write here instead of A, if you write 10, it will be repetition of 1 and 0. 11, 1, 1. 12, 1, 2. So here in hexadecimal number system, this A represents 10, B represents 11, C represents 12, D represents 13, E represents 14 and F represents 15. So 0 to 15, total 16 digits. Example 5AC. Base is 16, so it is hexadecimal number system. Its base is 16. Okay, A means 10, C means 12. A number system which consists of two digits 0 and 1 is called binary number system. And a number system which consists of 10 digits 0 to 9 is called decimal number system, like 5689. Its base is 10. So by seeing the base only, you can differentiate, you can understand that it belongs to which number system. In any number which consists of 0 and 1, if base is 2, it is a binary number system. A number which belongs from 0 to 7, within the range of 0 to 7 and base is 8, it is octal number system. A number from 0 to 9 and base is 10, it is a decimal number system. And a number from O to F, 0 to F, it is a hexadecimal number system. Now let us see how to convert a decimal number to a binary number. Conversion of a decimal number into binary number. We can convert a decimal number to a binary number by the following. We have to divide the numbers by always by 2 only. 2 means binary number system has got 2 digits. Proceed the division with the divisor. Like suppose 48 is divided by 2. So what comes? 24 comes. Okay. So again 24 will be divided by 2. So proceed the division with the divisor till you get 0 as dividend. You go on dividing. All the remainders, that is from the first remainder. This is R for remainder. This is a place to write the remainder. From the first remainder, it is called LSB, least significant bit. To the last remainder is called most significant digit bit, MSB. The first remainder is called LSB, least significant bit, and the last remainder is called most significant bit, MSB. Are put together to get the binary equivalent and arrange all the binary digits from MSB, means from bottom to top. From MSB to LSB means from bottom to top. Now let us see one example. We want to convert 48, its base is 10, that means it is a decimal number, into binary number. So write 48 divide by 2, and this is a place to write the remainder. Write all the remainders here. So if you divide 48 by 2, how many times? 24 times. 24 into 2, 48. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So write the remainder here. Again divide 24 by 2. How many times? 12 times. Remainder 0. Again divide 12 by 2. What comes? 6. What will be remainder? 0. Again divide 6 by 2. How many times? 3 times. Remainder 0. Again divide 3 by 2. How many times? 1. Remainder 1. 3 minus 2, 1. Now write all the digits from this last remainder till up. So this 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. We have to write it from the MSB to LSB. So write from here 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it is a binary equivalent of 48. So what is the binary equivalent of 48? 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Take one more example. You want to convert 69 into binary. So divide 69 into binary. How many times? 34. 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8. Remainder comes 1. Divide 34 by 2. How many times? 17 times. Remainder 0. Divide 17 by 2. How many times? 8 times. Remainder comes 1. Divide 8 by 2. How many times? 4 times. Remainder 0. Divide 4 by 2. How many times? 2 times. Remainder 0. Divide 2. How many times? 1 time. Remainder 0. Now all the numbers you write bottom to top. MSB to LSB. So write 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Arrange like this and it is binary of 69. Now let us do the vice versa. Let us convert this binary number to a decimal number. Now to convert binary number into decimal number, we have different methods. Now suppose we want to convert 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 into it is a binary number into decimal number. So you take the first digit. What is first digit? 1. After you 1, you count how many digits are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you put power 5. 1 into 2 power 5. After that 1 to 1 into 2. We have to multiply by 2 only. Why? Because we are going to convert decimal to binary. 2. After this 1, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Power 4. Plus 0 into the 0 into 2 power 1, 2, 3. Plus 0 into 2 power 2. How many is left? 2. Plus 0 into 2 power 1. And last one 0 into 2 power 0. After 0, no digit is there. The 0 into 2 power 0. Now if you evaluate it, 2 power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. 32 is the answer. Plus 1 into 2 power 6. The 2 power 4. The 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2. The 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. Plus, if you multiply 0 into 2 power 3, 0. 0 into 2 power 2, 0. 0 into 2 power 1, 0. And last digit is 0 into 2 power 0. The 2 power 0 comes 1. What is value of 2 power 0? 1. 1 into 0, 0. Now add it, 32 plus 16, 48. So just now in the previous example, we converted 48 into binary, came 110000, and in the second we converted the same binary number into decimal, came 48. Second is 1000101. We want to convert binary to decimal. Let us do. Write the first digit 1. After this 1, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Power 6. Plus 0 into, after this first 0, how many digits are left? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 into 2 power 5. Then 0 into 2 power 4. Then 0 into this 3. 2 power 3. Plus this 1. After 1, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So 1 into 2 power 2. Plus 0 into 2 power 1. Plus 1 into 2 power 0. Now do 2 power 6 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 how many times? 6 times. If you multiply 2 6 times, what comes? 64. 0 into 2 power 5, 0. 0 into 2 power 4, 0. 0 into 2 power 3, 0. Now 1 into 2 power 2, 4. 2 into 2 plus 4. 0 into 2 power 1, 0. And 1 into 2 power 0. 1 into 2 power 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Now 64 plus 4, 68 plus 1, 69. So today we have learned first two conversion, that is how to convert a decimal number into binary and how to convert a binary number into decimal. So you can practice all this conversion. Thank you.